Hey, Julie Thomas here with the STR Visionary. And like I said in previous videos, I am talking all about the things that I love this month about short-term rentals. And one of those things that I love about short-term rentals is that it's a whole lot less hustle than some side hustles. So I have been in the market for side hustles for a long time because I have done it. I've done it in addition to a full-time job. So a lot of what I see on my social media is pushing for all these different types of side hustles, right? And some of them sound super appealing, like I'm not gonna lie. Especially the ones where it's like flipping furniture or things of that nature. It really gets like that DIY part of my personality really wanting to do it. But what I love specifically about short-term rentals is that it feels like a profitable side hustle without necessarily feeling like you're constantly hustling. So because short-term rental properties are typically very seasonal, you have very, very busy periods, but you also have times in which you have some downtime in between guests, certain months that maybe don't get booked out. So it's not this constant, like I have to be hustling 24/7 year round in order to make this hustle pay me. Now, what I would say is a lot of people like to push short-term rental investments as being 100% passive. And I will say that that is absolutely not true. It does take work, no doubt. Like it can be a lot, especially the more properties that you add to your portfolio, the more work it is that you are going to have, okay? That's going to make your hustle a lot more hustly, for lack of a better word. But compared to hustles where maybe you have to be a lot more consistent in doing it every single day, there are a lot of things that you can do to automate your short-term rental properties in order to not have that heavy lift or that heavy burden of the hustle on a day-to-day basis. You're not shoving a bunch of stuff in your garage. You're not housing a bunch of things other than maybe when you're setting up a property. After your property is set up though, you're pretty much running it and you're maintaining it and you're keeping it at operating at a high level in order for your guests to be satisfied. But again, there's so many things that you can do to automate that. And it is 100% one of those hustles that you can do in addition to a full-time job, because a lot of times it's not following that traditional hour or yearly calendar that traditional jobs fall under.